So these are the workhorses for sunglasses for me, ones I use every day. Showing a little bit of wear though. The lenses, it's tough to tell, but they're almost impossible to see through. So it is time to replace these, unfortunately. Fortunately, online, I'm not the last one or the only one that's had this issue. So companies have made replacements for Oakleys for years, so we're gonna try these guys out. Upgrading though with polarized lenses. Wow, look at that. And it's that easy. Pop right back in. So prices are going to vary. I think these were like 50 some dollars, but they're pretty close to the original look of the old lenses. There were cheaper black ones, but given the color of these, I spent the extra, and these are polarized, which is an upgrade. As I had said before, the old ones not polarized, but these are the ones that were in my truck and used all the time. I do have polarized and I love them. So keep the old frames, save a few bucks. And there you go. That's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will talk to you next time.